So since today will be the day where I upload a video of this being repaired, I might as well just include in 3 people that I have collaborated with for this video. Number 1, it is going to be the person who have supplied the screen for me. Thank you so much. I'll be linking where you can be found down in the description below. Obviously, go ahead and follow all 3 of this. Secondly, I would like to link down at Zatic Marketing Agency. Thank you so much for supporting me on Instagram, and obviously I have to help you with your account, so hope you go big sometimes. And lastly, definitely my group of friends, Qfield. I mean, technically we are all 4 people, but hey, it's like what? We are all friends, right? So basically friend plus friend plus friend is equals to friend to a power of 3. My sisters are cringing. Anyway, we're all as one, so make sure y'all go down there, follow everybody down in the description below, subscribe, follow, do whatever you can, burn down the house. No, just joking, I'm not gonna encourage everybody to burn down houses, but alright, let's just get on to the video on restoring my Galaxy S7, also known as my daily driver. Let's start. So my S7 right over here, as you could tell, it is in pieces. Now, I did half take apart this phone due to the fact that I feel like I shouldn't waste any more time cutting and whatever. Yes, I'm very lazy in editing. So I take it apart and I didn't slot the screen back into its original place, the cable anyway. So just to show you on the screen, yes, it does have a cracked OLED, it does have a separated digitizer with its polarizer, and this is the new screen that I'll be putting on. I'll explain how to glue this on because I have had a very big mistake. So first thing first, you gotta unplug the battery to not short anything out, and then next thing is you have to unplug the cable for the screen. Now, if y'all do have the normal S7, you'll have to unscrew every single screw found before y'all can gain access to the screen, before y'all can unplug the display. Now, comparing the two screens, the old one and the new one together, so you could tell the new one is obviously much better. Again, thanks to KHL Carouseller for having for having one spare lying around. So, all right, now sliding the cable down through the frame and snapping it into the motherboard, connecting the battery and turning it on to test the phone out, obviously. So definitely y'all can tell that this screen is definitely working. Obviously it must be in working condition, otherwise how the heck am I gonna use my phone? Again, testing it again, I'm just going to set the brightness all the way down. So the way that I know that this is a refurbished OLED display is due to the fact that it does have the option to tune up to 1440p. So that's how I know it's a 2K display. So now opening out the test menu, which is *#0* and then clicking on touch, you will come out with this right here. So this is to test the touch screen of the phone to make sure everything's fine before you put the new screen on, which is obviously fine because it is a refurbished S7 display. It is refurbished, probably it used to be cracked and it does have a new screen come back. Otherwise it is a new OEM display, both of which I really don't mind as long as I have a working S7. Now turning the phone back off, as you could tell, that's how strong the LED was. I did actually kind of paint the LED. And then disconnecting the battery and the screen and feeding the display out of the frame, I can start to remove this pane that is covering up the menu and the back key. So though it might not be perfect, as long as the menu and back key pane is removed, I am happy because I want to show the complete internals, the complete bottom part of the phone, while retaining the top of the phone, which kind of failed at the end of my plan because I have taped the screen wrongly. So here is the screen. Let's just put it to a side and start removing every single tape. Now if you are doing this, just make sure your tape thickness is enough, due to the fact that this color will come off if the tape weren't enough, as in the thickness of it weren't enough. So after the amount of glue needed to every single thing, just like how I'm gonna tape an elephant to a wall, I have finally succeeded with salad. I call it salad, Thai salad, mango salad. I haven't tried one, but I heard it's quite good. So to all the Thai people there, please tell me if it does taste good, because I really want to taste some. So feeding the display cable back in, I can finally slide in this grill of a J1 2016, because I kind of want this thing to look partially like a J1 2016 while performing like a S7. So gluing it down perfectly, so you could tell gluing down an elephant is as easy as putting a train in GTA San Andreas. So I'm just gonna plug in this battery and turn it back on. Obviously it is going to work because I have tested the display and the battery is cooked. I'll get it replaced soon. So turning on the camera to show you how happy I am, and flipping it over. If y'all can see my face, y'all can tell how happy I am. If y'all can't, which is seen over here, never mind, I am really happy. Anyway, we're just gonna turn the phone back off and then screw in the wireless charging pad back in. Now I have modded this phone to have a clear back, that's why part of the wireless charging thing is removed, but wireless charging worked perfectly. Now I didn't glue down the back panel due to the fact that I have something really amazing for all of you, and it is going to be the world's first removable bag on the Galaxy S7 with magnets. Now I haven't installed a magnet yet, but trust me, it will be done. So after seeing that thumbs up, you all will know how happy I am towards feeling for this S7 due to the fact that this is the most sentimental phone of all time. This is actually my first favorite Samsung phone I've properly used. So just navigating around, kind of fine, so you could tell. A little bit of a lag, but I believe it's due to the fact that it is not on for like a few more times. And here's the honors. I'm going to remove my old SIM card, due to the fact that it is a broken SIM card. So I'm gonna place my new one in. So popping it out and putting the new SIM in. Oh, that too. We get a good thumbs up from me. So there you guys go, from this destroyed gold screen that has burned into hell, into this brand new looking J1 2016. I mean Galaxy S7. It's a perfect phone after all for 2020 use, and if you don't mind its bezels, it is a very ideal phone. So this one right here, as you could tell, is definitely my S7, and this is actually posted on Time Tech Plus. That's the original video. So I have seen my friends actually talking about what am I gonna do with this A30s, or like what, since I've got this S7 as my daily driver, what am I gonna do?
I had a goddamn
This will be my iPod, my camera, which is what it is right now. If I can show you all that. Oh, shut up. Okay, never mind. It's my camera for now. So A30s, it will be my camera, my iPod, my Internet Explorer, my computer, my editing tool, whatever you all can think of it. But S7 is not gonna make any calls, obviously, because it doesn't have a SIM card. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Peace off. Again, thanks to all 3 of these accounts for helping me with this video. Bye! I have a plan.